How to change your Twitter username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can change your username on Twitter. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. First of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Twitter app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Twitter and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. And once you have updated Twitter, now I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. So you might have been trying to change the username. You go to your profile page and then you tap on the profile icon. When you go to edit profile, you have the option to change your name, but you don't have the option to change the username. So how can we change our username on Twitter? Well, you should not go to the edit profile section. Instead, what we will do is we will go to the option called settings and support at the bottom, and here we will go to settings and privacy. Once we go to settings and privacy, you'll be able to see all this. Just tap on the option that says your account at the very top. As you do that, again you have to tap on account information, which is at the very top again. As and when you do that, right at the very top again, finally you will be able to see the username section. And in order to change our username on Twitter, all we have to do is to tap on it, enter the new username that you would like to change to, let's say. Once you enter the new username, you also see the availability, and after that just tap on the done button, which is at the bottom of the screen, in order to save the changes. And just like that, you would be able to change your username on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.